I would say RepairDesk is probably the most versatile of all the repair shop apps on the market right now. Hi, my name is Jacob Coutras. I am the current owner of iRestoration in Hamilton, Alabama. We established in June 2015. I like a lot of what RepairDesk has to offer. I like the ease of use of the interface, how you can easily adjust prices. Before RepairDesk, I was using Shopkeep, which is not a good point of sale system for something like repair. Facebook groups for repair shops help out a lot. Just getting in touch with other repair shop owners and what they use generally is how I learned about RepairDesk when it was coming up on the Cell Phone Repair Shop Talk. And I knew when looking at it, this is what I wanted to jump into. If you are considering repair shop software, RepairDesk, I would say, is a very good choice on the market right now.